Typically, if you have a LinkedIn profile and someone Google searches your name, what will show up top 5 results is your LinkedIn profile. And so it may be important to you to turn off certain sections of your LinkedIn profile that you may not want available to the general public. And so that's what this video is about. I'm showing you how to change your settings on LinkedIn so that your public profile has certain sections turned off compared to the profile that you may have on LinkedIn that your connections can access. So let's get into it. So there's 2 ways to access your public profile. So firstly, you can click right here. You can see it says public profile and URL. By clicking on that pencil, it takes you to this page here. And this is your public profile that people on search engines who are off LinkedIn, who may not even have LinkedIn, this is what they are able to see of you publicly. If for whatever reason your LinkedIn profile looks different than mine, you don't see here public profile and URL, this is the other way that you access this. You'll go to me. From there, settings and privacy. You will then select visibility and then edit your public profile. By clicking on that, it takes you to the exact same page where we were previously. So now, how do you make the adjustments? Let's say you don't want your LinkedIn profile to show up publicly at all. You just don't want it to show up in search engines. You go right here and you turn it off. That place was your profile's public visibility. You can turn that off, and that setting enables your profile to not be visible on search engines. It does take a little bit of time for this to actually happen, so you do give it a day or two before the change actually takes place. If that's not what you're looking for, you just want to turn off certain sections of your profile, then you look lower, you will be able to see right here the different sections of your profile that are already on. So I'm just going to turn them all on so you can see what that looks like when they're all on. Let's say for whatever reason you want people to know about your current job experience but not your past job experience. You don't want that to be public. So you'll go here to past experience and you'll be able to turn that off. You don't want people to see your certifications. You can turn that off. And you'll go through the list basically and see what do you want to hide in terms of what will be seen publicly on search engines versus what people who are actually connected to you on LinkedIn are able to see. So that's how you make the adjustments. If privacy on LinkedIn is important to you, check out this video right here where I share 3 of the top privacy settings that you should know on LinkedIn. I will see you in that video. Take care.